Welcome to SmartyCats Tutoring. Today I'm going to show you how to find a tutor and book an appointment. First, click this orange button that says Find Tutoring and log in with your net ID and student password. Next, you will see two drop-down menus, one for the course code and course number. As an example, I'm going to choose Math 171 and then press search to see your options. Once you find a time that works best for you, go ahead and press the blue info button. Make a note of the location, as this is where your tutor will be waiting for you. Add any contact info you wish, and I also recommend adding any subject matter, concepts, chapter numbers if you'd like, and simply click book appointment. Keep an eye out for the reminder email and don't forget to check in when you get there. Your tutor will show you how. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.